Today, Bronson Healthcare announcing it's planning to furlough some of its employees as a cost-saving measure during the pandemic.
But that's not all. Fox 17's Marisa Oberle spoke to the CEO about what other changes are coming.
It's not something we do lightly. We're taking the matter very seriously.
The financial impact of the coronavirus now hitting Bronson Healthcare. Tuesday, the Kalamazoo-based system said its expenses have rose, quote, significantly during COVID-19, but revenue is down by 50% due to the temporary stop of elective surgeries, office visits, and other services.
So when you combine the two, it means that the bottom line suffers.
Bill Manns, Bronson's CEO and president, says the system is working to ramp those procedures back up with the goal of being back to normal by September. However, since that takes time, Bronson is now implementing what it calls cost-saving measures.
So we're taking the matter very seriously and really trying to not balance the bottom line solely on the backs of our employees.
It includes a 25% cut to Manns' salary through mid-August, the suspension of matching contributions to employee retirement accounts for the rest of the year, and a 16-week furlough for several hundred, mostly non-clinical employees.
We don't want to dig such a deep financial hole that it becomes even more difficult to dig out of.
Manns could not specify how many people will be impacted or how much this actually saves Bronson, but he says they're re-evaluating their service contracts and hoping to partner with other providers to prevent further cuts. Bronson did receive $16.1 million through the CARES Act and plans to apply for more funding, but he says that money only goes so far.
From my perspective, the sooner that we can get restarted performing surgeries, seeing patients, the better.
And until that happens, Manns wants affected employees and Bronson's patients to know they're here for them.
I'm impressed with the resilience of Bronson. Bronson's been around for 120 years. We plan to be around for another 120 plus. This is a blip in time.
That was our Marisa Oberle reporting. Bronson says it is continuing, though, with major developments that it already had in the works, like offices for Bronson Primary Care Partners, which is currently slated to open on July 1st, as well as the new lab at Bronson Methodist Hospital.